to use the ZOOMLION SITRAK 47 meters pump truck. Step 1. Press the button to switch driving conditions. Step 2. Turn the button to pumping state. Step 3. Press and hold the button until the light turns red. Step 4. Shift the gear to 12th gear. Step 5. Release the clutch. Step 6. Press both buttons at the same time to unfold the legs. Step 7. Turn the button right to switch to remote control. Step 8. Turn on the emergency stop button. Step 9. Press and hold the power button until the light turns on. Step 10. Click the confirmation button on the electric control box.